Today's lesson is going to be a guitar-lele for ukulele players. And I'm going to show you 3 chords that most ukulele players should know. I'm going to show you how to transpose them or move them to the guitar-lele. Okay, it's going to sound like this. So really the biggest difference between the ukulele and a guitar-lele is the 2 extra strings, or the 2 low strings. And so the 3 chords for today are going to be the C, F, and the G. And those are some of the first 3 chords that you learn when you start off on ukulele. But now I'm going to show you how to take them to the guitar-lele. So the first chord here is C. Now, let's go to the ukulele chord. So the ukulele chord, this is probably the first chord that we learn. It's just a 1-finger C, right, with our 3rd finger here on the 1st string, 3rd fret, and then you're just going to strum strings 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now, though, this C chord is going to add the lower strings, or the 2 new strings here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take our 1st finger and we're going to put it on the 5th string, 2nd fret. It's kind of funny to say that on a ukulele, 5th string. And then our middle finger here is going to be on the 6th string, 3rd fret. And all the while you're going to have still open 4th string, open 3rd, and open 2nd. But this time you're going to strum all 6 of the strings. And so now if you're a guitar player, this is what we know as a G chord. But on the ukulele, this is now a C chord. Alright, so the next chord we're going to go over is the F chord. So on the ukulele, the F chord looks like this. Now this one's not too bad. All you're going to do is add 1 additional finger. So you're going to add, well, the F chord here is just open 1st string, and then my 1st finger is on the 2nd string, 1st fret, open 3rd string, and then now my 2nd finger here is going to be on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and I'm going to add my 3rd finger to the 5th string, 3rd fret. That's the only new note here from the ukulele to the guitar-lele, right? And then we're not going to play the 6th string at all. So now here's your F chord. Now as a guitar player, we know this chord as C, but on the guitar-lele, this is now an F chord. Alright, so we got C and F. Now the last chord, and this is an easy one, this is the G chord. And the nice thing about this is it doesn't change at all from the ukulele to the guitar-lele. So it's just this same chord that we play on ukulele, open 4th string, 1st finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, 3rd finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and then my 2nd finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret. And you're only going to strum strings 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this one, you're just going to avoid strings 5 and 6, the new strings for this one. Alright, so that's it. So we got C to the F. Now the progression will go back to C, and then I go to G. Alright, so pretty cool. Not that difficult. Probably the C chord is the hardest one to make the switch to the guitar-lele. Alright, so now let's talk about the actual strum pattern. So the strum pattern is going to sound like this. That's 1 measure. So it's just going to go down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Or if you're counting, it would be 1, 2 E and a 3, 4 E and a. Alright, so let's just do that. Let's loop the C chord a bit. 3, 4 and a. 2 and a 3, 4 and a. Alright, so once you got the chords down, you got the strum pattern down, we got this. So all it's going to do is 1 measure of C, 1 measure of F, back to C, and G. Now repeat, back to C, F, Alright, so there you go. Those are your first 3 chords when you're making a transition from the ukulele to the guitar-lele. It's actually not that bad, so get these down. I'm just going to jam us out here on that same progression. I'm just going to loosen up the rhythm a little bit. that's going to do it for this one, and we'll see you next time.